is fish and hunt. Fuck chugging beer in your music video, cause you think that gets you credit, son. Ever since the Robinsons got a TV show, everybody hell yeah with their camo on. And you ain't real apparently if you don't jam to them old songs. Half y'all folks never heard of John Denver. Old country road on a different level. Everybody got a this, everybody got a that. Blah 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 blah, but your John Deere hat. I don't care about no fashion statement. These bare feet used to run the bank. I'd have been all about fucking years ago, but I didn't care to go videotape. Got a lot of hawkers running on my team. Shit look like a Donald Trump regime.